If you know, say, you don't, maybe among the picture where this guy post yesterday, he post reach 4 different type of guys. But this one, he said that your friend take for 3 years. If you know, say your boyfriend there among this guy boyfriend now, send request, more na come deny, thank God son never they date.
Yes, sir.
Thank God son never they date. Gabriel.
I never see now just shout to the shout. One day, cause they come here. If you see her,
Oh, my dear, now go kill you. My dear, make our daughter that.
Where that boy go Matia? I don't Matia that cost for their body. US.
Oh, go Matia. Because the Matia no say na Nigeria guy. Where Matia go post am? The guy say no
Ibo.
Oh, go do gbe Matia. Yeah, mo bug gbe Matia. Eh, Matia, who don't know? See, my brother. Some guys, they go to Gabriel, then they give their life to Christ. They go really quit. I don't see Gabriel we marry. He did Gabriel out of condition. He was in all those their boarding school. Now boarding school for teenage age. Now boarding school. Now if I do Gabriel. But later, due to when he changed environment, he can't know say what they do not good. He was raised by an evangelist. He confessed to the woman. So when he did body school, see what he can do. The woman pray for her, convince her, and everything. To be old, the guy share testimony. He is married with 3 kids for Nigeria, not be safe for abroad. How much more send a document make her come marry woman? Sometimes some guys now document make this Igbo. What it be name, my love? Eri. Okay, my love.
Eri, na be name. Don't change the name for TikTok now to this thing. Make her share the live video for her. In na Eri, na Igbo man. He get mama.
No, not only no take no yeah, but there wait 3 years.
He get mama. If you see mama fine, hey mama go feel say Eri na this kind of
guy now.
He get mama.
No wait, Eri. I know say that you be the man. Now you the knack my dear. You the suck your own fellow guy. Jesus Obanome, my friend. You put your own fellow guy concumba for maths. May God forgive you now. At the end of it, now can they do woman? You know, me don't talk. If man to the complain say woman not get character, check the secret. You go not say if they follow a fellow man. More now go to her. If now your fellow man you want go the knock, go knock your fellow man. We not get character. Or go kill you now. Any man where you they practice bisexual, you go put one left for man, put one left for woman. May the mother head take on her life.
My mother, a boy and not babe cappy, brand cappy, other one any boy now. Who be this boy?
Hey, shadow of place now. Oh, wait to say no. Oh, God, friend, nequina, Bonisano, already talking my dearty, away Ghana no. Oh, we Ghana me one on the seat for more than almost 7 years.
Popular person now.
Okay, then
no get back game now. No get back boss. They follow everybody go.
He hates Nigeria people. They disgrace Nigeria boys well.
Oh, he didn't die say Nigeria. Very useless guy.
What make me the
boy na bonus we are to stick with buyer. In your bonus and boy na not be captain.
No fuana. Oh yeah, one of the story is that no fuana or lele by Italy. Based on where idiot na me a humanitarian document na kokoba there a journey. Iya give a journey. Iya na do ask you because a journey na do mo one due to a case of her because bad use English they talk because they bonus Germany can't change in Italy humanitarian. They can't give a 1 year humanitarian because of you know say Germany they deport children. As far as you be confirmed of bonisa, in a confirmed of bonisa. He not even need doctor report because he don't get pie. In yash they leak. He they take medication. He they take medication. He do on that medication because of he dog it go deep now from Ghana. Now they Sierra. He they don't cure his vibe. At the end of
always, they swell up. Looks like they swell up.
At the end of the day, this Madiana convince this guy, make they come live as partner. The guy come green, don't convince him because of paper. After he don't come Germany, they don't say reach 3 years. They can't give him follow Divya, make it come out. They give her follow Divya, make it come out. For that simple reason, I can't no money sank. You take block you don't come out. May you enter a game, man, block your destiny. At the end of the day, they can't give her follow Divya, may come out for Italy after 3 years. My dear, come live video. He can't they cry. He go kill himself. He love the guy. Oh, you know. He not kill himself. He never reached 2 months. My dear, can't go carry Oyibo Bonisa. He can't they carry the entire ass. This guy now.
Boy, so that is yes, this boy so he post the picture. So this boy, so this one so there.
This
black one. I don't even know the TikTok now.
This black one, I be my dad. Now evil person. He can't go carry Oyibo after 2 months. Person when they can say one kiss, they can't carry Oyibo. At the end, me no know what he can't enter his head. Yesterday, can't they saga this guy, they post some videos. All the people where he don't encounter with, he can't they post all of them. He can't they post this guy, post her. 3 years in love her. I don't know. Let me come the three say maybe the guy want marry because that's what they do. If their lover come they marry, they'll come and make the publication for social media, make their partner for no say they fair do Gabriel or they be Gabriel. I don't know. But you see, you go bena. You go no say you be man. Now toto you like. You go they do it no good. Go they stigmatize yourself. Me, anything when I not go they proud of, I cannot publicly address it. You know, they say every time they sing for you, I be single mother, I be single mother of 3, I be single mother of 3. What did I know say I'll feel identify?
Mama, Madiana, yeah, well, look, I can't fucking Madiana, I got this. I don't know this.
Okay, no, I'll lucky nice never.
Hey, lucky nice coming with Madiana.
Even though lucky nice, I got my children. Lucky nice. Now, in fact, 1 billion straight. Even though lucky nice, I got my children. If you talk anything of Bonisa, I'll put my 2 kidney, go borrow person or join and no, I beg, that one a saga. No, lucky nice now responsible man for when it comes to for straight. No, I beg lao. I beg you then lao. Lucky nice, I don't see defend you. Coins master with your level 22. You are telling your mother that your mother want to put herself in problem. Ogun go kill you. I'll let that be the way he give Madia document. Ogun go kill them because Madia get picky for Ghana. What they vagua. If they even know say he get picky for Ghana, they go collect the document for in hands. If a boy you the Chris now your mama. I first see your comment. I can't say, may you write again. You they tell me say you want to put your mother in problem. You are stupid. Which one you want pick for instance? That the black one be the yellow one. If now my sister now this boy they toast, I don't go protect her. Make woman come there now. You go say he get husband. The husband go to sleep with another man. Or better still, if she come invite his brother come. His husband go come. You they crazy? Do you know the kind of disaster be that? How woman want to tell a family member say now Bonisa now you marry you they crazy. If you put any stupid comment again, Ogun will kill Madras. Ogun will kill Mata go post a RIP. You they mad for head. Your mama they crazy. You are very stupid. Now so now go the one more and Leo Nigeria men to all those rubbish. Now waiting I dislike Ghana. They use Gabriel is it swear for una because of documents. Una not feel great. Now until they respect Nigeria men. No matter the disaster, one Nigerian man, he give girl belle, the girl get document. He tell the girl say he go accept the pregnancy, but in wife and 3 children, and I guess those children be oh. The one where he born for away, he get documents, guess he born son. He say no, he go take care of the pikin, but he not go accept you. Join in woman. Now one woman now he want to settle down. He no want stress. Talk less of say.
Oh.
See, Nigerian men, the one they come, but the one where you mostly say that they do all this gender, they are now content that they do. Now content, you see that Iman Leonard feel they do masturbation. Our feel swear say Nigerian men they do masturbation. Maybe he get a break for woman, but they not the bonus. Even that guy said, what they call him James Brown said, was I caught in the heart? The video where take go viral, he say, was I caught in the act? Was I caught in the heart? Do you know what that means? Una catch me. If they add, you see Nigeria made a bonus. They can only do cross gender, cross gender because of content. Most of them are cross gender. They are using it to do content because of money, the crisis of the economic of the country. But if you bring out of 100 cross gender in Nigeria, only 10% that they can be fined a bona fide say they are Gabriel. But you see, this Ghana Madias, he get picky for Ghana and he open me nyash for Europe. They force me with his stupid document so you not fit go Nigeria to go bury mama. Document so you if you die now government get your property. At the end of the day, you the first Nigeria me they call open their nyash. How you want to give man if not be fool? Okay, he there. Borrow me 1 minute he there. If man now he give woman belly, automatically that woman get a very standard document with father shaft. The woman go give man documents for Europe, not be say for only Germany. The woman, he go give the man paper with Peking. We still get another option again. If they're not born, if they not get document through Peking, they'll go do marriage. If the man get another Europe document, even though say me dey Germany, we'll fit do marriage. We'll fit go Nigeria, go do marriage. You are very stupid. Okay, Gabriel, now what Gabriel want give you? Enough, he give you belly. You know if you bomb me, use and tell give you document. You go naka. As far as they not you, they open your nyash. You never start to open your nyash like 10 to 15 years ago. They not fit give you paper. If it be say they get a couple of years, especially this my country, maybe France. If they just say and say your pie don't open, they fit give you. But Germany, you need to get say they don't open your nyash. You get 15 years of guarantee when they don't say they open your nyash. Now before they'll give you paper. Do you think these people are stupid? Now you now they crazy. Write your mama head for my comment section again. Ogun Berak Bijue. Godfather, fire down. You want contribute?
God bless you, my mother. This mama no vessel.
No.
My dear, I don't post a picture no there. They will not go can any Ghana. Oh Ghana, Ghana bonus. We know Ghana. This guy is.
You said na 3 years.
Mama, make I talk what I know for inside.
Now it sucky this thing. It's so hard.
Only yesterday post now. Few weeks ago, Mama, you know, few weeks ago, now I see the thing. He post this guy for his page. The video go viral.
Thank you. How they laugh.
The way Ghana people. If you see the way Ghana people call the attack, because I did everything, I did follow up for the matter, because the guy is my friend, you understand, no matter what. Now, person will say they stand by me. Sometimes
Out of you that is writing, say what of Timaya? Are you deaf? I said out of 100 Nigeria cross gender, I say 10% that you can only find Gabrielism. I said the 90% are just cross gender. Did I say that the 100% that they know you cannot find Gabrielism? Listen to my words before they ask me questions.
Ghana people, they attack the guy, they force the guy. You understand? A few weeks ago.
Yeah.
So they were forcing the guy. They were saying he must marry Nigeria.
Thank you, Vo. Cross-dressing, my dear. Cross-dressing. God bless you. God bless you.
Ghana community because they force the Nigeria guy. Oh. Not be small, eh?
Come minor, Coins Master. Just tell me, you're right for comment section. Coins Master say, as you there now, you don't already get 33 years guarantee. Say they don't open your yash. Not because they write something. Your negative comment will signify even author and coins. Your Coins Master with 22 level may go kill your mama. Now 22 level you say they be a Coins Master.
They're very wicked. If you see what their people call they do, they call they force this guy. Ghana people.
Yeah.
If you see
anybody where they follow the main friends for camp for Italy, you go they initiate them, they force them. May they come, they open yash. Now make if you be lesbian, if you like, you be my blood relation. I know if you go greet you for house. I know if you send my picking, send person that is close to me because now what thing I hate them for. You don't ever see straight, they convince you. Straight person, now maybe my girlfriend can't greet me now. I know if you first and say, now my brother be this kind of data. Even though my brother they toast and say, I go even they tell my brother.
Mama, I want to talk. Godmother.
I hear you there.
Godmother,
you want friend person. Now my girlfriend, you want friend. Now my girlfriend, but you see all those lesbians, but they come in there. The one when they invest me lesbian, they force you when you can't join them. Ogun here Belian. Ogun go kill Madias. You when you open eye with your yellow cap, Ogun will see kill you. Disgrace fall upon night. At the end, they call the fight toto. You they call the fight toto. It then fire down, not verse blood, I beg. My head.
God bless you, my grandmother. At the year, my grandmother say, if you want to get document, not be really, but it's not truth. If you see somebody like Lucky Nice now, he not get document for Italy. He the friend Chelsea baby for Jenny. You know that star. He they try to give Chelsea baby Bele so that it might work bonisa no this is not your bonisa matter. You talk about document because people they go into this thing because of paper. You understand, mama? So Lucky Nice now not get document.
But if you want Saga,
you understand?
You want Saga?
No, I don't need Saga
baby senior Lucky. Sexy baby senior Lucky with 5 years.
Man, me too. EJ, that one do. I never heard that one before.
Sexy baby see now Peter now sexy baby say they wear do garment for them. Peter no. Sexy baby they use iPhone. It goes still use 77 screen fitter. Take cover in body for there. Sexy baby senior Lucky now with 5 years. Go ask Tom Polo. Tom Polo go tell you. My dears, if you want to rubbish Ghana people name, but not may you leave Nigeria person. Now you they force them that time, may they come, they open your nyash. They have decided, see, as somebody, maybe if a child of grace now meets this guy now, the guy can still say, I'm sorry. Now out of ignorance, he go do that thing. Even many less bobo, if they don't see man where they take care of them, then they withdraw. Splash, go carry Bele now. I know many less bobo will go carry Bele. Even Isabella where they for France, you understand? A lot of them. Samantha baby, as in a lot of them, now let she's setting there. Now let's bobo go do thing there. Everybody gets their calling. So people they will do it out of document ignorance, but later they'll realize say no, this thing is not a rightful thing. Now me queen they talk on. No amount of heartbreak man won't give me anything that will not make me to be proud. If I wanted to be that kind of thing, I not go ever bring pikin from this life. I not go boom. She's the saying, no one carry Bele. He no want man. He don't want anything to do with man. He no want pikin, but she can only date a single mother. She's in a single mother they date with one pikin. So maybe the single mother have decided say she not go born again. You understand? She's the say even though they want to have children, they will go to surrogates and have the child. You understand? So they go through surrogate. So the woman will go IVF. They'll go find guy where go do sperm donor. If let's say they say 200,000, I say they do sperm donor for Nigeria. They'll go test the boy. He go there HIV, all those syphilis, STD. He go there all of them free. He not go get any disease. Depends. Sunday 300,000 depends on the standard of the boy. Boy is a special. And they do IVF. They say they see sperm donors. All of them they hospital. Then they go put their name. Say they are sperm donor. If they see anybody who needs sperm donor, then they go say. You understand? Especially all those students and all of that. All na hustle. Depends of where you civilize go. So na see connection. If person wants to carry you go there, you'll see give connection man. You'll see give am. Hospital that they bring on, they will run tests for you. You'll be very, very healthy. Now, sperm, you can't donate. You cannot come, you'll sign paper and fill everything. It's government approved. You not go there 5 years and say you define your momo. You define your pikin, they go because now sperm you donate. The sperm can even day if you not see feta. You understand? That sperm sometimes now 50-50. Now I may sometimes they give you 50% first. Later, if the thing that they produce, it don't they form momo. Maybe you don't form small zioma or small boko, then they'll come give you a balance. Because sometimes if you see say the person get low sperm count, you feel get good sound health. Good sound health, you not get any health issue, but you can get a low sperm count. You understand? Like Frank Victor, allegedly. So that's why, as a man, they'll give you 50%. If now 300 be your charges, they'll give you 150. If your sperm fit produce a momo, or not if you are on a momo day, they give you your balance. So that's why, if you do something, you will decide. She's say she can go for surrogate or IVF, but not be in with man. Want do that one in with a fellow woman. That one is something she have decided. Cheesy. I don't know that she's in a virgin. Oh. She never talk anything. Whether she's a virgin or she fed the choppy yomiyo. Later, she can't change her mind. But you as a man, you won't stay straight. They you're straight. Because now your fellow man, I go scandalize you. Fellow man, I go rubbish you. And anything make this picture, don't they go viral. This guy now go give him mama, his parents heart attack. The document will make you go follow your fellow man. He not come out. And this guy, you say na Igbo guy. I will say get paper for zero and leave Madia. How you tell expect Madia? Madia no fit carry belle. Now man like you. Madia get picky for Ghana. How you want country give you paper? Germany, you know if you marry. Their law, their policy is too much. If una want marry, you go get another European document. You and your partner go outside Germany, go do your marriage. Anybody tell you say do marriage for Germany? Akuko. Now so that they lie. Many they go do one outside Germany and bring the certificate. They'll come dominate them. So that one now no rich. You just go do Gabriel for free for 3 years. Madia, enjoy your bola. If you see as they talk, they describe the guy bola yesterday. Child of grace. Now so rain they code the poor enter me. Code the poor enter me. Code the poor enter me. He say he get big dico. Or what describe the guy tall. He say he get big bola. He say this guy they give him head. Mama, they talk yesterday.
Mama, see what I want to tell you, Mama. Mama, listen to what I want to tell you. Now make
and then he collapse. Nigerian guy.
Oh my God, what I want to tell you,
my love.
If that time when people they saga me, I call they depressed. No, say if person they depressed, they saga people, they take advantage of people. Where? If I tell you that time, I can't stay away. I can't isolate myself for everybody. Now save me.
Yeah.
This boy, if I come Verona, if I come Verona, because I'm
enjoying if you are not giving me money, gone. You are enjoying the topic, you know they give me money, gone.
This way for blow my nyash.
300 people, you guys have not blessed my life go. My life go is there. Money go, you have not gifted
for
me.
the hotel when lunch put. As he come Verona, I say me I come to the lunch put. Now be say for blow my nyash.
The topic and you are not supporting the platform, you are not gifting.
Everybody there against me that time. That time I want to
Mommy, I agree to my mommy. Welcome me. Mona, gift me, give the platform.
Now God save my nyash. Now God save my nyash, Mama. Now
God
save my
nyash. Over. Wala go. We all need this document. We need it. Mommy butter J. Emo go come on, mommy butter. It's always me no ge. Egbe wara monta wesi.
Come on.
Oh, she no good. Mona gift na Mona support the platform walaho. Now our brother wey die for Italy now say man you see which condolence so. Now we Matia no there. I dey cry say oh this handsome boy, this fine boy you die. They never know wetin kpai am. Now see Madia the saga. People are writing it's a Nigerian. The thing touch me. Wala go because Gabrielizzi may they not go post to Nagbola Koma. All these people like the Madias, they not get conscience and they not get any image. They not get any dignity to protect. They don't have anything to lose. Mommy, thank you for the gift. Where's Jenogi? Thank you for always supporting my platform. Mona gift I beg. Child of grace I beg. God will give you better man. God will give you better man because you know, say when you don't know that kind of thing, say this man, it na Gabriel. This kind one, before you do something, he go they complain. And this kind of people, they
thank God, say not be desperate. This guy they give like you. That's why my friends they Russian. Not many of my friends from my panel they Russian. If they bring lion, you're not gonna gift me. You're gonna give them or they Russian. I'm not desperate. I'm big gifter. The guy a big gifter. You don't come up for TikTok King live video now. I'm big gift. The guy they work. Mama, the guy they work. The guy they work for Italy. They work. I don't understand this.
That they catch people. He plays after he go back to Italy. Maybe they can't go give her a document. Don't tell where come out now. This is what they thought. So my son, my baby now they go 8 years. This is what they thought. So go down reach 4 years now. Where that thing happen? When my dad come cry. He not post a video that time. He not post her. I'm not gonna know why recently now you just they saga the boy. My dears, you move on now. You not see other junkie. You not see junkie for NRV where they go they lick your nyash for you and soon where a my dears. no deva gua. Uju we bie kwen. Go find Ghana guy wey want to lick your stupid nyash. Jama don't deport all the old Ghanaians. Iman like, I don't like what our Nigeria guys they do. They don't get patience. Small rejection. If they all give them one negative like this, that's what they see they do woman. If they all give them one negative, though they find another woman where they want to go give belly. Man, I go sit down. Who now say they on her body. See ya, get yeah. She don't take your signs. Me by myself post the guy. But because of God, I don't know that child of grace. Whether you do already, they get feelings for him. I be not telling me why do you know my lay? If man too complain, say woman not get character, check the where that get bread they be. I put it on now. Any man where they found necessary quarrel and necessary excuse, you got a find quarrel for where quarrel not day. You go not say na fellow mind they go they suck Igbola, and that bola go kill you. You go suck for free. Woman go born for you, he go cook for you, he go take care of your belly, he go make you to be a proud father. You go follow your Gabriel. At the end of it, you not go get any benefit. Now you go lose. All money where you go work, you go die, live, and government go carry and give orphanage. As my dear there, now all those lions where they give her for TikTok. If you die, now government property, they will carry and give government because the kind of paper where they give government. My dear say no go fit enter Ghana again. If mama die, he can't they cry. I for keep that video. I for post them. He cry, they poke and cry for mama picture. He dey cry, mame, he no go. He get document too. Because he don't tell they say that they find her. And my dad get one pikin. They say the pikin that they don't go to one for orphanage home because my dad no agree come. His mama will be the take care of the pikin. He don't die. Now they can go to where the pikin for orphanage home. At the end, all this your vanity now. If you buy my dear, now government now get them. NROV government will take your property and give it to charity. Because of documents. If they like me, they deport me and my children. I can never join Lesbobo till I die. If na Lesbobo I want first do, I not go fair be straight. I not fair come boom. You see that one way say in a fuck money. Fuck money gets 70 years old son for Nigeria. In Pikin where he take there for a Stuttgart for there. They give him paper for Italy, humanitarian. He can't Germany. Germany can't change the paper for him. In Pikin they with him for there, but you know, now Italy that they give him Lesbobo, but he don't already get the Pikin. He can't like say they rape him for Libya. He said na raping and Lesbobo, you know they do man. He said they rape him, but in a stud, he said they rape him. He they claim say in a stud, he go there and TikTok for there. Now say go they toast guess this one they call them baby, and in Pikin na get Pikin we dey with him. May God help you now. If that Pikin don't they grow now. You go they tell her make it not near me are bad. Make she go they follow Lesbobo. That kind of if Pikin just they follow Lesbobo for school with Oibo or other Auslander, it not go be anything to them because he go feel say she take after him. It's just a bad habit to now. If you not get character as a straight person, if you like, go meet your fellow man, go break bottle for your head. I don't see two Gabriel. Two Gabriel, they fight. One hit bottle for the other one head. He say whether you they craze. You they craze, they can't they fight. That one can't they cuss on. He say whether now he want use and take they learn. I don't see many. The other Gabriel can't break bottle for the other one head. You know even know some Gabriel the way they take something.
You know what this boy be want do me? Mama, you know what this boy be want do me?
And they my love.
What did this boy be want do me now? Set up. That time when people they saga me, be want come inside my
right up, make I change and beware of Gabriel. May you fire down with the hear you, my love.
If you want come inside my life, you go come do me all those yansha or come shout. People will say I be mad person. What want me to mad person? And people will come to for TikTok say I be really mad person as they really talk.
Yeah.
This boy be want come my life. Like if you see this boy, all the gift, everything. Because I'm not green, go they gift my friends to they pay me. Like go they do a lot of things. This guy.
Mona gift.
It's a truth saying they do this. He saying they shook man, woman. In they shook now ho. That's what he talk.
Now by sexual now, if they do man, they do woman. Are you fit get us of mind? Are you fit get us of mind? Man where they do man, they do woman. How you want to get rest of mind? You don't know say they chop a fellow man. Before now quarrel small, he go run, go left. Before now quarrel small, he go run, come back to right, come meet you again. How many of you and him go come they do that kind of one? I'm not feeling that kind of life with Mao. Life of you they use me to they do you be ani. Which kind of rubbish be that one? If you know say you be Gabriel, you they date me, I don't know. I down where the very day I'll know, I go swear for you. I go swear for that man. Because all those people when they form bisexual, they know they get respect for their partner. If the woman thought you wrong, go the man. If the man thought wrong. But all those kind of one points the show. If they are Gabriel, find that.